I knew something wasn't quite right when I began seeing 2 laptops, 2 pens, 2 essays and 2 coffees.
With double vision and dizziness, I felt like I would sometimes feel after drinking too much ale.
I had to grab onto the back of chairs and lean against walls. I had trouble watching football on TV. The colour of the strips seemed different, like they'd been set on the wrong washing cycle and all the colour had been drained out.
I thought it was a piece of grit in my eye. I never imagined the diagnosis I would receive a month later. From a distance, other people became hollow-faced, expressionless shadows. London became a murky ghost town, but one that only I could see.
My wife noticed I kept squinting at the TV and leaning forward as everything had seemed blurry. I went to the optician and was sent to the hospital. The consultant said, "Has anyone ever mentioned MS to you?"
MS affects everyone differently and can be a lot to cope with. But you don't have to face MS alone. Our information resources can help you understand what's happening and manage your symptoms.